Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Another Love on the flute. To begin, identify the key signature of G major and the 4/4 time signature. The opening phrase starts with the notes B, A, G, F sharp, and E. Focus on producing a clear, warm tone for each note. Practice connecting these first 5 notes smoothly, ensuring a beautiful legato sound. This foundation is crucial for mastering the entire piece with confidence. Now, let's master the main melody. The iconic opening phrase begins on B, repeating several times. Pay close attention to the dynamics, especially the subtle crescendo and diminuendo that give the melody its emotional depth. Ensure your rhythm is precise, particularly with the dotted 8th and 16th note patterns. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your tempo to achieve a fluid and expressive performance. Moving to the bridge section, you will encounter slightly faster 16th note runs. Practice these passages slowly and deliberately to ensure finger accuracy and evenness. Focus on your breath control to sustain the longer phrases without losing tone quality. Maintaining a clear, resonant sound, especially in the higher register notes, is essential for a beautiful and impactful bridge. To truly bring Another Love to life, listen to the original song for inspiration on phrasing and emotional depth. Incorporate a metronome into your practice routine to build consistent tempo and rhythmic accuracy. A great tip is to record yourself playing. This helps you objectively identify areas for improvement in tone, rhythm, and an overall musicality. Enjoy the process of making this beautiful piece your own.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.